Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Yoya, abala yoya. His Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Mandera County, the County Commissioner, and the County Security Committee, Mandera East Security Committee. Hamjambo. Nafikiri leo madhumuni yetu ya kukutana hapa is to celebrate Mashuja Day. And if you want to see where our democracy has reached, you just look at our neighbors the way they are. Ndo sisi tunakaa vile tunakaa. His Excellency, the Deputy Governor and the County Commissioner. Watu ya Mandera wako na shida, na shida ya kwanza tuko naye ni shida ya passport. Clearing of passport in Mandera has become a nightmare to the people of this county. It is not happening in Wajir, it is not happening in Garissa. We have a pending application of 1,700 applicants in Mandera. There are sick people who want to travel abroad for medicine. There are students who want to go and study abroad. It is not attended to. We are bringing to your attention by the County Commissioner that passport clearing in Mandera should be cleared first, because it is becoming an essential document in Kenya today. Ya pili, we join Kenya and we celebrate the action that the President of the Republic of Kenya has taken for disbanding the special unit of the CID. Through them, as the people of Mandera, we have lost many lives. Many people disappeared. They are not known up to today. If those of us are brought to book, we will appreciate the President. Likewise, Bana County Commissioner, we have roadblocks in Mandera town. We have one at the livestock, we have one at Moigals, we have one at Barwako. For you to pass through that roadblock, you must pay. If you want to go and buy a goat, you must pay. If you want to go to Shafshafe, you must pay. If you want to go to Barwako, you must pay. And if you look at these officers, they are not transferred, they are not changed, they are the same officers that man these roadblocks. Hata ukiangalia wako na kartasi. You know, in this century, when we have our intelligence officers, an officer collects money, he writes on a note. And if you want to see, just visit these roadblocks in Mandera town. One has been moved. It can be at Korome, it can be around the Green County, but here at town. Even if they were put there for the security purpose, it is not doing the purpose that they were put there for. It's a business. So the way the President has disbanded the special unit, we are requesting that we also disband these officers, because they are not doing any purpose for us. Your mission, we are appealing to our Deputy Governor. They are KBR officers. They are not paid. They are not in salary. Hiyo officers tunaomba, hii chakula munapeana, they should be given priority, hata familia wakae kama family zetu. Ya mission, kuna chakula, governor yetu ametoka hapa kutafuta chakula mpaka ugenini. Hapa KRA, Bana County Commissioner, chakula yetu zimejaa. So ni maombi kutoka wananchi wa Mandera ya kwamba hiyo chakula, I know you have all, with your committee you can sit. We want you to give directives. Either we pay revenue for those foods or it is given to the members of the public. Thank you very much.